Hello everyone, I'm here at my open house and we are at 1902 Kessler Boulevard, East Drive, Indianapolis 46220. That's in Washington Township. We're just on the edge of Broad Ripple, but I would call this close enough to be Broad Ripple. I know my daughter lives just around the block there and she's in the middle of Broad Ripple. So this is for sale for $159,900. It's just been reduced by $10,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. It's got 2,106 square feet, including the basement, which the basement has been converted into a very large master. But it doesn't have to stay that way. I know the owner had told me that on some feedback on showing, some people felt that they didn't like having the master down there, but there's a bedroom up here that's perfectly master bedroom size. And you can convert, you can make that downstairs anything you want it. A recreation area or whatever you wanted. Family room, split it up. It's the basement is 1,053 square feet. So you can definitely make it a couple of different rooms if you wanted to. This is a beautiful home. It is, I don't know if you can see out the window here. It is right across the street from Chittard High School. This is a corner lot. This is side street here is Crittenden, but this house is beautiful and I'll take you around in just a moment.